welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use fibers to just make smoothie. I'll be throwing your fibers away, just stop throwing it. So right now I'm going to show you how to just use it to make a smoothie, a weight loss smoothie that will just keep you in shape, you know, and reduce that belly fat. If this is not like what you're interested in, just keep on watching. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. So guys, do you remember this fiber, this orange, the last video you just watched, this orange fiber, and this is lemon fiber? See, I don't throw it away. Stop throwing your own away. You can store it in your freezer. Anytime you want to do your smoothie, weight loss smoothie, you can go ahead and bring it out. I'm adding the fiber into the blender. This is cinnamon and apple fiber, so I'll add it straight to the blender too. I'll add everything. So the next thing we have here is carrot fiber. So I'll just add, I'll not add all, I'll just add 2 tablespoons of carrot fiber. So the next thing we have here is our banana. If you don't have banana, you can go ahead and use your papaya. So I'm using my banana for this. I will just add 1 banana. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and tap button press to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll go ahead and add 1 cup of low-fat milk. Just 1 cup. And I'll blend all together. So I blended it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Then I'll add it straight in my cup. Guys, this is just what you need just to keep in shape. When you wake up in the morning, this should be your breakfast smoothie. When you drink this, you're gonna hold you throughout the day, or you just maybe you eat your lunch. By doing that, you'll be sharing a lot of ways. So if I'll be throwing your fiber away, stop throwing it away. Just keep it in your freezer and use it for your weight loss smoothie. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys love the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.